Hi everyone, this is Salman. I'm an architect and today I will be sharing with you the process, tools and methods I use to work remotely from anywhere. Times have changed and remote working is the new norm. Much of our architectural design process is done using remote collaboration tools. It includes everything, be it design meetings, internal meetings, client presentations, or supplier presentations. These apps and tools can help you be more productive if you're traveling or you're on a site visit to some other country and still want to be able to connect with your team and work remotely. So let's get into it. So this is a no-brainer. Nowadays, laptops are powerful enough to handle graphic-intensive softwares that we use. Of course, going for a high-end laptop is expensive, but it comes with its perks. It saves us a lot of time. Instead of dealing with glitches and not responding loops, you can focus on design and what needs to be done. The other main reason of having a laptop is portability, and it's easier to plug into any accessible large screen with a USB-C or HDMI connection. And when I go to work, I just plug into any accessible screen and I'm good to go. It gives us more adaptability and flexibility, which a remote setup is all about. So it comes down to which operating system should we go for. This one totally depends on your choice and use of design tools. For me personally, Windows makes much more sense because all of the heavy duty softwares are available for Windows. To mention a few, Revit, Lumion, Inkscape. I'm sure some of these softwares will show up in Mac, but until then, Windows is the way to go. InDesign is our go-to tool for presentations, and we also use Video Leap or CapCut for video presentations. So basically, as a presentation format, we start with site analysis and then move to talk more about the design intent and features. The conceptual process is followed by plans, elevations, sections, and diagrams that explain the key design intent. Drawings are followed by spatial experience, and appendix holds the dimension drawings for client references. So for us, design process is two phases. One is the design phase and the other one is the documentation. In design stages, we use Rhino as the key software, and in the documentation phase, we use Revit as the main tool for documentation. So we start with Rhino as a design tool and then move into Revit, which is the documentation tool. So in case your laptop is not powerful enough, but you have a desktop at home with a powerful enough graphics, you can access and tap into that power using Parsec. It's a free tool. With just an internet connection, you can work on your desktop PC at home from anywhere. Choosing a cloud storage service is the main choice to be made. For us, it's Dropbox. Dropbox is the most reliable service that we have used so far, and the fact that you can access your data literally from anywhere is a big deal. Microsoft Teams is the tool we use daily for scheduled meetings with clients and internally. Miro is a collaborative design board. You can work with the team, research, collect ideas, brainstorm, and basically this becomes a research, commenting, and design tool for each project. ClickUp and Team Gantt are both powerful tools for project management. These help organize timelines and milestones for active projects. Both have a clean interface that helps you visualize and forecast workloads easily. So that's all for today. Check out more productivity content for architects on my channel. I hope you liked this video. Leave your comments and reviews in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button if you want more content coming your way, and I'll see you in the next one.